Okay, let's get this show on the road. Cold start, no gas. Fasten seat belts. Windshield wipers. Cold, so it's at about 1200 RPMs right now. It's going to slow down to about 800. We got cold temperature, oil pressure coming up. Not that much fuel left, but we'll be all right. And we got voltage. Clock. Ha! Yeah, okay, right. Time stopped for this 280Z clock. 48-year-old 280Z. Okay, lights, camera, action. Let's get this show on the road. Reverse. Brakes, bike, pedestrians, obstacles. Slow. Feel the bumps. That's 280Z suspension. Some people really like that. It's fine by me. Okay. Shift to 3000 usually. Nice and smooth. Still in third. Down to second. No problem. Good to go. Third. Cruise. 55 miles an hour. About 2,800 RPMs. Oil pressure good. Temperature good. Charging. Downshift. Third. Second. are in Sonoma, California, scenic wine country, adjacent to Napa County, also well known. That time to 3,500 RPMs. No problem. We'll make a turn around here. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. 65 miles an hour, 3,200 RPMs. 80 miles an hour, 3,700 RPMs. She's got power. A little braking. A little more braking. A little downshifting. Signal. Right turn signal, but we're not going right, we're going left. Okay. Flashers also work, no problem. All right. Seen some people shift at 4,000. I'm not sure if they were just showing off or what, but 3,000 seems like a sweet spot. That's where I've always done it. Right now, 55 miles an hour, we are running at 3,000 RPM. Sorry, I forgot about the noise factor with the window down, but oh well. Home again. Lickety split.